Copy trading versus manual trading. In this fast-paced environment, traders employ various strategies to navigate the complexities of the markets. Today, we are going to talk about copy trading versus manual trading, where both are two distinct approaches to the financial markets, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. Let's explore the differences between the two methodologies. Manual trading involves making independent trading decisions based on market analysis, personal research, and intuition. Traders who prefer manual trading have full control over their investment decisions, allowing for flexibility and adaptability to changing market conditions. On the other hand, copy trading enables investors to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders. In copy trading, investors can browse through a selection of skilled traders, assess their performance metrics, and choose to emulate their trading strategies. Manual trading offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows traders to develop their analytical skills and market intuition over time. Additionally, manual traders have the freedom to customize their trading approach according to their risk tolerance and investment goals. Copy trading appeals to investors seeking a more hands-off approach to trading. By replicating the trades of seasoned professionals, copy traders can potentially benefit from their expertise without the need for extensive market knowledge. Before deciding between manual and copy trading, it is essential that investors consider risk tolerance, time constraints, and investment objectives. Manual trading offers control but requires market expertise, while copy trading provides convenience but limits learning opportunities. Personal preferences and goals dictate the choice, emphasizing the importance of staying informed and disciplined. Whether you prefer the autonomy of manual trading or the convenience of copy trading, the key to success lies in thorough research, disciplined risk management, and continuous learning. To explore which trading approach suits you best, sign up for a demo account today and start your journey in the financial markets.